With my Pomodori classic Italian cappuccino, I'm really ready and excited about this episode. Now, we're going to be dealing with taking pictures of friends, of other people with a mobile device, using a really cool app called Photoshop Camera. Now, my niece, Kaiya Hemmings, has a really cool TV show called Heart Fun. So I'm going to get in my car, I'm going to go to her house, and I would love for you to come along. Welcome to Discover Smartphone Photography, the show that's all about having fun, creating incredible photos, editing those photos to perfection, all within your iPhone or Android. Kaiya! Hey, sweetie! Hey, I have something very fun for you, and it's all about taking pictures. But first, and this is really going to help you, it's hot off the press, my brand new book.
Oh my
It'll
goodness.
help you with all your iPhone photography needs.
Thank you so much, Uncle Mark.
My pleasure, darling.
Can't wait to read this.
Okay, so let's go over to the table and let's begin learning all about taking pictures of your friends.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let's go.
Do this. So, Uncle Mark, I've been getting more and more interested in social media, like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, all with my parents' help, of course. I know that you traveled the world teaching people how to take pictures of their friends. And I was wondering if you could help me take some pictures for my social media.
Yeah, Kaiya, this is really well timed because I just found a brand new app. It's called Adobe Photoshop Camera. And it is extremely fun. Now, for your heart fun, I know that you do the most amazing interviews with other kids and you tackle social issues, which I really admire. Now, this app is going to throw a whole bunch of fun into your portraits. And really, what I was thinking we could do is get a volunteer, and why don't we just actually do a photo shoot? Get some really cool portraits right now.
Yeah.
Now, do you have a volunteer in mind?
Well, maybe I was thinking my dad.
Oh, why? I think it's a great idea. He's very handsome.
Well, I think he would just be a good test model.
Right behind you, I think would be a perfect location for practicing using the Adobe Photoshop Camera app, and we are going to have a lot of fun. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, Kai, we have the ultimate model. So, are you ready to take a picture of your dad?
Yes.
Okay, so we have the app up. Now, the first thing we're going to do is put your elbows in just so that you have a good solid hold on your iPhone. We don't want to hold out here because it's a little bit shaky. Now, by the way, I'm recording my screen, so I can send this to you after just so that you can remember what we did and you can just, practice with this after.
Okay.
Now, what we're going to do is start at the very beginning, which is called original. That's just a normal photo. But right next to it is called portrait. I'd like you to tap on portrait. Now, what happened? Isn't that cool?
It's all blurry.
I know. So it usually says, choose a face if it doesn't see a face. So all you have to do is tap on your dad's face right there, and it becomes in focus, and the rest is out of focus.
Oopsies.
I'll get you to take the picture, okay? There we go. That's excellent. Now, what is the next option?
The next option is pop art.
Exactly. Let's try it.
Make a funny face, Daddy.
Wow, that's awesome. And pop art has a lot of cool different filters, different colors, a whole bunch of fun stuff. Okay, what's next? Spectrum?
Spectrum.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
Spectrum is so cool. It's taking different colors. We call them color channels, the technical name, and it's making a really cool fine art shot. So let's take that picture. Fun. Now the next one, let's try this. Billie Eilish?
Well, there's people falling.
There's people falling from the sky. Okay, well, let's take the picture. Oh, that's good. Now, what about the next one? What do you see?
It's artful.
Okay.
Whoa, it looks like a painting.
Wow, your dad looks like a painting. Let's take that picture. There we go. Oh, that's great. Now, the next one is probably not the best picture for your dad because it's food. But when you do make a beautiful meal, like I know you're a great cook.
Yeah, it's really fun.
So the next time you make a meal, I want you to use this food filter to take a picture, and who knows, it might show up in your next Heart Fun episode.
Yeah.
Okay, so then, we have scenery, we have blue sky, we have reverie, and of course you can add more filters as you like. So what do you think of the app?
I really like it. I have a couple questions.
Yeah, sure.
So, would you recommend, on these 3 dots right here,
Yeah.
would you recommend the flash on or off?
I like to say off.
Okay.
Now the reason why is because when you have a flash, it kind of makes the picture look two-dimensional. I prefer no flash, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to get better results. Also, one more tip.
Yeah.
When you're photographing your friends using this app, it's usually best to have either a clear blank wall behind them or a lot of distance. So say, for example, see the trees behind your dad?
Yeah.
They're about 20 feet away. It's a good distance. And that will allow the app to sort of cut out your dad's figure to place all these cool filters on it. So what are the 2 things we need with this app?
You need a far background
Yeah.
or a clear background.
Exactly. Exactly.
And you also need a face.
Exactly. Yeah, if it says choose a face, and all you have to do is press on that button and you are all set.
Awesome.
Well, I hope you have so much fun, and I know you're going to do awesome with the next Heart Fun episode.
Thank you so much, Uncle Mark.
Okay, and do you know what? We are in a family bubble. That means I can give you a big hug. I absolutely love helping young artists like my niece Kaiya. Her Heart Fun episodes are so great, and I'm really happy to be a small part of that success. Now, with regards to Adobe Photoshop Camera app, I give it my thumbs up, both as a parent and as an artist. It's very creative, but it's also backed by Adobe, which is a massive company. They have a very good track record for security. So for parents, you don't have to be afraid of, where are these pictures going? Are they going to some far off land? So in saying that, I believe that it's a really good app for young people. It has some amazing filters, very creative, and it will definitely get young kids and teenagers and adults into the art of photography. And just like taking your vitamins once a day, you will find that your skills radically increase by taking at least 1 picture a day. I hope you have so much fun with your photography.
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña.